Okay, well, like I say, I'm stuck with 1 minute on these things. Now, here's the valve. I'm just using the old part of the compression fitting that was already on there. I'm using my LSX sealant. Take some of that and smear it around that olive, the old olive that's on there. Smear it around on there. That's it. Put that down. Check the arrow, flow in the right direction. Going down. Okay. And just get the molds. Get the molds in your pliers. I'll put the molds. You could probably use the handle on there like that. Open those up one. Give it one go. Okay, it's just, oh, what am I doing? I was lefty-loosey. Lefty-looseying. And that doesn't go it. Righty-tighty. Lefty-loosey. Making a hash of it. Okay, so it's not gorilla tight. Now I'm going to turn it on with it off. Okay.